Hey guys, Devil here. So I found this really cool old car. I just want to show you guys this. Look at this. See, this is a very old car though. Like, look at this. This is so really cool. Hold on. Yeah, like I like the headlights on it. Yeah, it's really neat though. Yeah, the cool old stables right there. That is very cool. Yeah, I think I'm gonna block the license plate. Well, you can see like the back side of it though. Yeah, right. This is really neat though. Yeah. It is pretty neat though, guys. Yeah. Let me know. Let me know what year this car is, so, and the type of it though, guys. It's like a boot show. Boots right there. Yeah. It's really neat though. Very cool car. Alright guys. Bye.